Sarvesh Sadanan Shinde.
I am Siddesh Upadhyay. I am Navlesh Toyota.
And I am Red Pinto.
And we are Team 7990. And our topic is self-driven seed sowing rover.
So we are here at the agriculture field. We have talked to the farmer about all the processes that he has with us. And we also had a good experience, and he has explained all about all the technologies that he uses for his agriculture products.
Talking about the insights, the farmer took us to this beautiful farm and he talked about the various problems which are faced by them regarding seed sowing, and he had explained us in a very fascinating way. So learning from those, we got different insights and we are going to develop our product on the basis of these insights.
So talking about our problem statement, the main problem that the farmer face is their increased financial costs because they hire laborers to do this job. And also working in the scorching sun is not an easy task. Another problem is that there are too many rodents out there in the fields. They take out the seeds and eat it. So we also have a supporting video to show us. So they use this tool to dig up a small hole like this, just a small hole. Then they place this seed. Now this is currently just a raisin since they did not give me any actual seeds. So we place this raisin like this and cover the mud back up. So that's how the entire process of sowing is done. So model of the project. So let's have a glimpse of the project from all the sides. So now let's talk about one by one element. The first element is the weed cutter. The sharp blades are going to cut off the weed, that is the unwanted grass present in the field. Next part is the driller. The driller is going to drill the mud, go inside the mud, create a pit and come back into its original position. After drilling, the important function is seed sowing. So the seeds get accumulated over here in the seed accumulator. After that, the seeds get collected over here, and from this assembly they pass by and get enter into the pit. So one by one the seed is going to enter into the pit. So here we can have a look at this assembly. So moving forward, how this is going to function is, as soon as the driller comes back into its original position, one seed is going to enter into the pit. After the seed has entered into the pit, the next function is flattening of the mud. So we are going to flatten off the mud and fill the pit over the seed with mud, and flatten off the mud so that the farm is back into its original position. This safeguards the seed which we have sown. So next part is this controllers. So basically we are using two controllers, the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino. The Raspberry Pi is used for the processing, and it is for the self-driving purpose. And this is the Arduino which we are going to use for controlling the motor, which is in turn going to control the wheels and the weed cutting element. The speciality of these tires are, these are tractor tires, and this will not allow the rover to stuck into the mud, so that the rover can function properly and move smoothly in the forward direction. Thank you.
So these are the hardware requirements. The brains of the system are the Arduino development board and the Raspberry Pi computer. The body of the system includes a soil digger, a weed cutter, roller, tires, and finally the body of the rover. The control elements are the two DC motors, geared and brushed, and two sensors, ultrasonic and the IR. The software requirements includes the Arduino IDE, Fusion 360, Raspberry, MATLAB, Flutter, or maybe Blink and Proteus. These are all the references that were used for the images.
The project can be scaled in the following ways. The efficiency and the swiftness of the rover can be increased by sowing more seeds per unit time.
We can design the products in such a way that it is water resistant, and we can use it in the paddy fields. The modification done in the design so that rover can be made more compact.
The overall design can be made more robust so that it can be used in any kind of geographical environments.